Hey, Charmaine from Smarter Selling. Today's topic is business development through exhibition. So I'm assuming you're watching this because you've got an exhibition stand coming up or you hold exhibitions frequently. So I want you to consider a few things. Who do you want to speak to when you're on your stand? Because you want to reach out to them beforehand if you can to say, look, we're at stand, exhibition, number, blah, blah, and we would love to have a conversation with you to find out how we can help your business. Or I've noticed this particular talk is on, thought you might be going to it, maybe we can have a chat afterwards about how we can help your business. Remember, your language needs to be about how you can help them or how you can help their business, not about you talking at them, right? The other way around, how you can listen to them and how you can find out how you can help their business. That's the key thing you need to consider. The second thing is when you're chatting to people on the stand, let's say they fill in a form or something, they put it into a box or you're getting some sort of lead generation. If you've chatted to somebody and they're a hot lead, you need to have some way of making a note of that. So I do things like in the corner of my slip of paper, I might make a little note in the corner that might be an A or a B or something like that. And it means when I get back to the office and I have this pile of leads, I know that actually this little pile here are people that I spoke to and took an interest. And maybe on the back I've also written some other things of what they said. Don't have a meaningful, relevant conversation, elicit their needs, then they fill in a form, it goes in the box and they're treated the same as anybody else walking past that just threw their details down and went in a box. You need to differentiate between those that are really serious and those that aren't, so you can jump on those serious ones as quickly as possible. So I hope you found those 2 tips useful. Find out who's going to be at the exhibition beforehand so you can reach out to them and show an interest. And number 2, make sure you write a note on those people and get back to them quickly. Timing is key. If you found this useful, then do share. And if you've got a comment to make, then do so below. And if you'd like more tips on what to do at an exhibition, leads in general, or anything to do with business growth, then subscribe below. This is Charmaine from Smarter Selling. Until next time.